Orgspace is all about the human-centered organization. But if you've been around the block a bit, you might be cynical about what that really means. Chances are, you've probably heard all sorts of overly processed word salad about empowerment and culture and other kind of big, flowery words that don't really translate to the on-the-ground, day-to-day reality of your work. Here at Orgspace, the words human-centered organization actually mean something. It means we deeply care about burnout. It means we live and breathe the values of inclusion. It means we care deeply about everyone here having a sense of mastery, autonomy, and purpose that reputable studies show don't just drive employee happiness, but actually drive business success. Tangibly, it means we don't believe in pigeonholing people. It means we strive to put people into stretch roles. It means Orgspace natively supports the notion that job title does not dictate your role on a team. Today we're excited to announce our new roles feature. What is a role? Imagine you're my favorite kind of software engineer, the kind that is passionate about not just the code they write, but why the code is written. Some of the very best product managers I've ever worked with were empathetic software engineers who dared to ask, why are we doing feature X when feature Y might actually work better for a customer? With our new roles feature, you can create a role on a team for a product manager and put your product curious engineer into that slot. Of course, we strongly encourage you as a leader to make sure anybody in that kind of stretch role has a support system so they can be successful. Get them a mentor. Invest in their training. But whatever you do, don't limit the growth of your people just because somebody wants to go beyond a stated job description in their title. Be it for having fluid roles like lead, standing up an initiative where somebody will act in the role of single-threaded owner, or even deciding who's running stand-up this week. Our new roles concept is designed to help you model these new realities of the modern workplace. In this example, we have a platform team and a mobile app team. And one of the things we want to highlight is we are going to put Winnie Johnson, who is a software engineer, into a stretch role. Winnie we've had a one-on-one with her, and in the conversation, she expressed a really, really strong interest to maybe try doing some product manager work. It so happens platform team needs a product manager. We have that role here, so the way we can model that is to simply move Winnie up into the product manager box, and now that particular role of product manager is staffed by Winnie, who is in fact a senior engineer. A couple other new changes to the app. We have this ability to, first of all, for where unassigned people are, so say we need to backfill her role, maybe we're going to move a open position for engineering into where she was working. And then maybe we are going to then take this other position where James Chapin here is going to be allocated into this unstaffed engineer role. Maybe we're not done. Maybe we suddenly decide that, hey, maybe we want to really, really double down on more work happening on the mobile app. We go into this new tab called roles. What you see on team roles here is that we can take, say, an engineer and add them, an engineer role and add them to the team. And maybe on this mobile app, we really need to have a user experience designer. And so we are going to put them on the team as well. Again, this does not indicate necessarily that we even have open headcount for those roles, but we want to communicate in this particular case that those would be roles that we should fill at some point, and that we should, when we do get headcount allocated, target filling those. In this particular case, maybe Rec 1013 is in fact a user experience role that we want to use for that. So I'll go ahead and drop that there. And then now I can have the conversation I need to have, which is making sure Winnie gets the support of somebody else as a product manager in her org. So now in this hypothetical scenario, we're going to meet with Thad, we're going to meet with Winnie, and make sure we set up a good plan for Winnie to learn the ropes of product management as she goes along. We can't wait to see how you use our new roles capability. If you'd like to take it for a spin, visit us at orgspace.io and sign up for the beta, and let us know what you think. Have a wonderful day, and we hope to hear from you soon. Goodbye.